Hi, if you'd like to draw a pumpkin, the best thing to do is to draw from observation. So get yourself a pumpkin, get your supplies ready, your paper, your pencil, and eraser, colored pencils or crayons if you want to add color. Take a look at the form of the pumpkin. Notice that it's nice round shape. Take a look at the texture and notice the bumps. You want to draw the bumps and the curved lines when you get started. Notice when I'm drawing, the stem sits inside the pumpkin and not on top. And if your pumpkin has a stem, you want to take a look at the line of the pumpkin. Mine comes up and then curves a little bit. And I can see the ridges of my stem. So you want to draw the lines to show the bumpy ridges in your stem. And when you're coming to draw your pumpkin, the lines curve. They curve down and they curve back up, and you have a kind of a bump at the bottom of your pumpkin. Before you get started adding color to your pumpkin, you want to take a look and make sure the lines that are inside your pumpkin for each section are curved lines and not straight vertical lines that go up and down. You want to make sure that you have curved lines at the bottom to show the bumps. And you want to make sure that the line of your stem is going the way you observe when you're looking at your pumpkin. You'll notice as I am adding my colors, I like to layer my colors, and I start with the lightest color first and then gradually build up darker and darker, and I'm always aware of where my light source is to concentrate my lights on the side where the light is and the darks on the side where there would be shadows. You want to create space in your drawing, and the easiest way to do that is to add a table line like you see I'm doing here, which immediately creates a sense of depth. And then as you shade in your table or whatever surface your pumpkin is sitting on, you want to create a shadow underneath the pumpkin. That is called a cast shadow. To add even more depth, you want to add what's called a cast shadow, and that is a shadow that is right underneath your object. And while you are doing that, you want to be aware of where your light source is, and your cast shadow goes on the opposite side of the light source. And the darkest area of your cast shadow is right underneath your object, in this case our pumpkin. So you want to draw very dark right underneath the pumpkin, and as you go out in your cast shadow, the cast shadow, while still dark, becomes a little bit lighter than what is directly underneath the pumpkin. To add some highlights to your drawing, you want to be aware of where the light source is and just use your eraser to erase a few streaks, which will add a nice area a lot lighter than other colors surrounding it, which creates your highlights. The last thing you want to do is add your name and date to your artwork. Be proud of what you did and sign your name.